name is Aiden, and I'm gonna show you the new Lego Disney The Lone Ranger set. It is set 79111, and this is the Constitution Trains Chase, and it has 699 pieces, and it's recommended for ages 6 and up. Ages 8 and up. 8 and up, I guess. And this is the box. This is the back of the box. And you can see it's a really big box.
And how long did it take you to put together?
About like 4 hours or so. But anyway, next I'm gonna show you the minifigure. Oh, and this set cost about $120 at my Toys R Us. So I'm gonna show you the minifigure. First up, we have the Lone Ranger. He's really cool. He's my second favorite figure in this set. As you can see, no back head detail. And this is, I think, Tonto. Named Tonto. As you can see, he had the compass and the shovel, and he has a crow on his head. It's really easy. You could just take it off. And then this, he had another side of the face. And then let me just get the shovel and compass out of the way so you can see more of his detail. And there are 3 great hair moves in this set, meaning the hat is like the hat is into the hair, which I like. This reminds me of Jack Bill because it's played by the same actor, Johnny Depp. And this is Danny Reed. She has a slingshot. I really love that slingshot piece. And then here's his back head. He had short legs because he's a kid. Okay. And this is Rebecca Reed. She is the mother of Danny Reed. And I need the box for the villain because I don't really know their names. Okay, next we have Bush Cavendish. Bush Cavendish, I think his name is. Bush Cavendish. And this is the second great hair move because the head into the hair. And then he had 2 guns, which I think is really cool. He is the main bad guy. This is Latham Cole. He's the bad guy also. He has a shotgun, I believe, a shotgun. Here's a good look at his hat. And I know he doesn't have a double sided face. And then last but not least, Captain J Filter. Captain J Filter. And then this is the third great hair move. Oh wait. double-sized head. And what you saw in the Pirates of the Caribbean series, the sword, and you could put it in there like that. And this is Silver, the horse, I think his name is. Silver. He is the Lone Ranger horse. And what I really like about these horses is the back leg lift. So it could go like, it could stand up. Here, let me do it on the train. Like that. And then he would ride in here, and then this good cool stuff. So he could move up and down. And before I show you the train, I want to show you the water fountain and the rocks. Oops. As you can see, I already spoiled it. But anyway, so wait, let me move the train out of the way so you can see. Okay, so you press this thing down. It's like a lever. I forgot what it's called, but it's a lever and it has a point. And then the dynamite goes off. So then when you, and then it goes, and then the thing that's jiggling around is blue water pieces, blue cylinder pieces. I can't show you it right now because I can't get the Lego. And then here's the rocks, just a pile of rocks, and dynamite over here. Dynamite over here. So you press this thing down, and look, and oh wait, look, I was on. Wait, let me redo that again. And yeah, I kind of choose far, but I didn't do it. So I'm gonna show the train cart by cart. I start with the first one. This wibbles around so it could go real easily around the track, and it's really cool. And I love this cart. It's really cool. And one thing that I wanted to point out before I get to the other cart. This thing is magnet. It's magnetic, so it goes like that. And then this is the cool cart. And then there's a room for the shovel that Tonto comes with. And it has another shovel. And then the coal. And then the big you could store about like 2 minifigures in there to hide in. And then this cart, I don't know what exactly you call it, but as you can see, it has a machine gun, which is really cool. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, because it's almost all. I'll fix it later, but it goes like that. It has binoculars, and it has silver stuff, and a barrel and a drink, and last but not least is the jail cart. The doors open on both sides. You can't really take the top off, cause then it kind of loses the mechanism of the sliding doors, and you could kind of see, but it has a jail cell right here, and then when you put this rubber, it goes, and then it could let the person out, and this person been in jail for 28 days or 28 years, and that was my review. And on the rating, and real quick, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, I would give it a 9. Bye.